lovely Yvonne, who's going to tell us a little bit about the business side. Yvonne, tell us about the business side.
So we have 52 stores across Canada, and we are a thrift business. And in our stores, we have donations that come in that we take and we care for. We have volunteer-based organization that they take those donated goods, put them in our stores, and we're able to sell those and make profits off of those. And the profits we make from that, we give to Bible League Canada to help do ministry throughout the world globally, to help start churches, help train leaders, and do all those pieces.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We've been a part working with your organization for a little while now. And have you come into contact with anybody who used the i3 product, and has it changed anything?
So actually, in my career path with Mission Thrift, I used to manage at the stores in London North and London South, so I oversaw those two stores. It was an amazing experience, but the London South store had a huge problem with people in the dumpsters, with just mess of that coming in. So they actually have the i3 cameras in that store.
Oh, wow.
And the store manager that is there currently raves about the actual problem was pretty much cleared up overnight. Oh, wow. So since they've had those cameras in there and everything installed in that store, it's been phenomenal. They said the change has just been absolutely amazing for them. And it was a significant problem. You could pull up at like 8 o'clock in the morning and there was garbage everywhere and you'd have to pick it up, and it's not a great way to start your day, but it's done wonders for that store. So we're very excited about it.
That is good to hear. What about growth potential? What is the future for Mission Thrift?
So we would love to continue to grow. We're in the middle of doing like a corporate restructure now, so we're doing some different things with those pieces in our stores, and we're looking forward to helping our organization grow. And love to be able to have more stores and set those up throughout the rest of the country and in different areas.
And we'd like to put more cameras, so
definitely.
It works for everyone. Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, thank
really
you so much for being here.
And please go shop at your local Mission Thrift store. Support the cause. Thank you.